Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM wants people to help make Koi Bhuka Na Soye program a success. Prime Minister Imran Khan said he has full faith in people to make the government's Koi Bhuka Na Soye program a success, like they generously helped make Shaukat Khanum a success. FM Qureshi departs for Germany on two-day official visit. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi departed for Germany on a two-day official visit on the invitation of his German counterpart Heiko Maas. Ordered against OMCs for petroleum crisis after cabinet report. The cabinet committee report on the petroleum crisis has prompted the federal government, petroleum division and oil regulatory to launch a crackdown against oil marketing companies of the country. Bitcoin rose 1.32% to a record $60,555.97, breaking above $60,000 for a second time in 10 days. Government fixes nisab for zakat at 80,933 rupees. The government has fixed nisab for zakat deduction on bank accounts for the current lunar year at 80,933 rupees. At least 6 people killed after a car plunged into a ditch in Azad Kashmir's Kotli. Father of 3 children who died mysteriously in Karachi accused wife of killing them. 114 people died due to coronavirus over the last 24 hours. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.